Hey guys, welcome back to the Speed Industry channel. Today I'm bringing you something a little different. We are talking about our GR86. We usually film a lot of our content on the 86 Speed channel. Decided we wanted to kind of show you guys a little recap of some of the stuff that we have done on this car, where we've actually put the Tomei exhaust on. So we have the single and the dual. So we're just gonna give you guys some sound clips, kind of like open the audience up. A lot of you guys know us, follow us on this channel for all the GR Supra stuff, but we want to kind of show you our shop car. We'll put links to the other channel if you guys want to subscribe to both, but we're gonna try to mix a little bit more of the content into this channel to kind of just broaden it up a little bit, show you guys more stuff. So today there's gonna be 3 examples. We're gonna have the single and we're gonna have the dual, both with the factory manifolds and cats and everything. And like, again, it's just a recap from a while ago. And then we have another video with we were testing a Tomei UEL with the single exhaust. So that's in there as well, where we do a little rip and a pull. So it's super fun. Enjoy the video, enjoy the sound clips, and yeah, enjoy. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's content. Let me know down below what you guys thought. I also have some secret links down below. One of them is the new Tomei merch line that just came out. This stuff's pretty cool. They have hoodies, t-shirts, they got coffee mugs, they got all kinds of cool stuff. We really love Tomei, we support the brand. There's also a secret coupon code below. For those of you guys, we love the support. Hopefully you guys like this on this channel. And we appreciate you guys watching, and thanks a lot, and see you on the next video.